Well, you gonna put that back in your bro? You don't gotta put the bones in. You don't gotta, but you don't gotta put the bones in your pocket though.
Go to the kitchen. The kitchen.
You don't gotta put,
you got hands.
bro.
God gave you hands.
You don't gotta
okay?
put the bones in your pocket
God
though.
gave you hands.
Like I'm not going. I'm not.
What's up, you guys? Okay. What's up, you guys? Welcome back. I already told you I got something for y'all. So let's get to the point. You hear me? This is about. If y'all do like the video, make sure y'all leave a comment. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all like the video, and make sure y'all smash that thumbs up button. Let's go. Smash that thumbs up button. You hear me? So let's get started. So today we are gonna eat. Drum roll, please. We got what we got right now. Ooh, mamma mia! We got some fries and some chicken. Okay. This chicken right here is called dragon hot ball something like that. It's supposed to be super hot, okay? And then we got fries, the dig, and this. I forgot this is bread. I forgot the name of this bread, but okay, that's one thing. What else we got? Hey, and I'm not gonna be eating too much because hey man, my stomach is like small because I be fasting, so my stomach shoot throughout the day. So I ain't gonna be eating too much. I ain't trying to pop my stomach, you hear me? But anyways, and then we got second thing we got what? Another chicken. Another chicken. What the? Hold up. That's all I ordered? Okay, so I got smoked wings, 8 smoked wings, dragon sauce, blue cheese, lowest combo, original chicken wings, 4 wings, buffalo hot fries. What the? I thought I ordered ribs. Some ribs, some hot dragon sauce, whatever, chicken, whatever, and some barbecue. What's this shit called? Buffalo hot fried chicken. Bro, this shit. So what is this? This low ass fucking corn. What the fuck am I supposed to do with this shit, bro? Pay like, I think it was like $30. $30 for this shit, bro. What is this? Oh, I'm tripping. But this shit is fucking small though. Look at this rib, bro. What the? This low ass rib. This low ass rib, bro. What? Anyways, let's get started. I'm gonna start off with I'm gonna save the fries for later because I don't really eat the fries like that. I'm gonna save the fries for later.
All right, let me eat the fries then.
The chicken and the sauce.
Yo, let me eat the fries. Let me get a fry.
What?
Let me get a fry.
Nigga, hell nah. Mine. This is not even enough for me. You talking about
lang hako is the bayo.
You ain't put no money on this shit neither. So I told you, bro. I told you. You want something? You want something?
Bro, I wasn't hungry.
Nah, bro.
I wasn't hungry though, but now I'm hungry.
I'm good. So
bro,
you good, bro?
Lang hako is sila ang.
Bro, God bless you. You good? I'm not sharing this. Hell to the no.
Bro, just one. All I need is one.
Hell no. Alright. So this is smoked.
Oh, so you're just gonna ignore me?
As you can see, this shit smoked. Yeah, she's smoked. Well, my hand's ashy too. Oh, I don't care. Eating some good food with ashy ass hands does not make no sense. But hey, man, welcome to the African life. That's how it is. You hear me? I'm gonna try this chicken first. Bismillah. Bro, why you staring at me, bro?
You gonna guess? Cause I want some.
I'm not giving you nothing, bro. I'm not giving you nothing.
Angkat the jid.
Main picture na what? Atat angkat.
Koi buruk tu. Alright.
Don't care, bro.
I bet. I bet. Go ahead, eat. I hope you choke on that shit too.
This shit hot too. Okay. And then now we're gonna try the smoked. Woo! It's like smoked, sweet, tender.
Boy, this nigga acting like a chicken expert, bro. You're not no chicken expert,
That
bro.
one's hot. This is good. Good. My God. I deserve this. I ain't missed not one day of fasting. I think we in like what, day 12 or some shit?
Yeah, something like that.
I ain't missed not one day of fasting, so I'm gonna spoil myself real quick. You heard me?
Yeah. I guess it's fuck the cameraman and let him stay hungry type shit. But that's what we on.
Bro, I'm not giving you nothing, bro.
Bro, just fries, bro. Come on. We in the month of the damn. Bite your fucking fingers.
I'm not giving you nothing, bro.
Bro, it's we in the month of Ramadan, bro. Come on. You supposed to be.
Bro, why make us feel like
Bro, you supposed to be humble. Supposed to share.
I'm not giving you nothing, bro.
Bro,
you ain't add no motherfucking money on this shit,
so
bro.
what?
Nothing,
bro, I wasn't hungry,
real,
bro. I wasn't hungry, but now I'm hungry.
I'm getting this stuff, bro.
What you gonna do?
Bones or none of that shit.
Oh, this nigga.
Bro.
Wow.
Bro.
You.
Not even getting nothing. None of this, bro. You're not getting none of this.
For real?
You should have added at least $1 or some shit.
Bro,
You feel me?
it don't matter, bro. It don't matter, bro. I'm your cameraman. You gotta treat me. You gotta treat me anyways. I don't gotta.
You not getting nothing, bro. You ain't add no money to this shit.
Bro,
What you talking about?
you stingy, bro.
Nothing, bro. Hell no.
Can't get the G. I need here.
Anyways, let me do my video. Okay.
I need to sound like
I'm
it
gonna try
did.
the ribs now. You feel me?
Go ahead. Eat. I mean, for what? I ain't going nowhere,
bro.
Alright.
What? You're not getting that, bro. You ain't even. Bro, I told you. You want something, bro? You want something? Put.
Bro, I wasn't hungry.
Match it.
I wasn't hungry.
Saying, you know, I'm good. I'm not hungry.
Well, I wasn't
hungry, right? Well,
yeah.
Stay hungry. Let God bless you. You hear me?
Alright, keep eating them. I
There's
hope
some
you
rice
choke.
in
I
your-
hope you choke on it.
There's some rice in the kitchen.
Bro, I don't want no
Go
rice.
get you some rice.
I want to try that
Okay?
shit. I want to try. I want to try that shit. Bro, I want to try that. But I want to try that.
This is
God.
air fryer in the
Alright.
kitchen. Go air fryer your shit.
Whatever.
You feel me? You're not getting this. I pay for this. You ain't pay shit.
Okay.
You ain't pay shit.
Okay, I'm recording you though. I'm the cameraman, bro. Bro, I'm your whole. So you're not gonna be your whole cameraman, bro. Can you get the jail in the main kitchen? Hi. Okay. See what dog. See what.
You not getting shit.
Okay. Whatever.
You ain't putting no money in, just you're not getting it. You feel me?
Alright.
This baby ass left. Bones. You know what I mean?
Well, you gonna put that back in your bro. You don't gotta put the bones in. You
Nothing.
don't gotta, but you don't gotta put the bones in your pocket though.
Go to the kitchen. The kitchen.
You don't gotta
is
put,
big. You got hands.
bro.
God gave you hands.
You don't gotta
okay?
put the bones in your pocket
God
though.
gave you hands.
Like I'm not going.
God put some food in the fridge for you. Okay,
Bro,
you
I'm holding the camera though. I'm making sure the camera is clear and everything. Bro, camera back higher the body.
The camera is fine. Let that camera stay right there. The camera is fine. You, on the other hand, you gonna get your ass out. You hear me?
Bro, you greedy as hell, bro. For real. Dali kanjirain. Sound like we had a furio.
You think this shit free? Ain't nothing free in America. You crazy as hell.
But okay, but why do you gotta put the bones in your pocket for? Alright, but why you gotta put the bones in your why you gotta put the bones in your pocket for though? Like I'm supposed to I'm gonna eat that shit.
God is good all the time, right? Alhamdulillah.
It's the month of Ramadan, bro. You're supposed to be sharing and stuff. Huh? Longer this and monyang.
You feel me? I don't even know that. Oh.
You like him, but I
I got my dressing. Blue cheese, you hear me? I'm gonna get fat off of this. But good thing we're fasting tomorrow, so I'm gonna burn this shit out because I'm gonna be fasting and working out too. You hear me? So, damn. This shit is good. This shit.
Yo, lafte jeb kan glitten moet. En ik begin aan mij kan lafte moet.
Oh, they don't what?
But why you gotta put the bones in your pocket, bro?
Okay?
I wasn't hungry at first, but I'm hungry now, and I'm not even really that hungry. I just want to try it and taste it. I just want to taste it. Bro, I just want to taste it though. I can't taste it. I can't even get a bite. Bro, left. I just want to taste like left. Like he left the full. Like, you know.
Yo bang ba even ada wa
Why do all of that when I can just have some like a piece of that? Like do all of that for what? I could just all you gotta do is just give me like a piece. God damn, you making this? You act like I'm about to eat your whole food.
Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Disgusting.
What
but this?
Yes.
Nah. Hell nah.
Bro, bro, I just need to taste how I just know. I don't know how the Dragon Ball whatever that shit is called. I don't know how it tastes. That's it. You're making it so complicated. Like for what? Dali and this so look at the dali and this hal fry mukul kerto hal fry.
Dali kata uflay dali le good.
En dan kan die ding you make sure dat do. Had ik gewoon voor belau.
You get the G man drop the main journal. And the G, I don't care. What's about to say? Oh, the chicken is hot. Look at this. I mean, it's hot, but it ain't shit. You hear me? It's hot, but it's not like, oh, like I thought it was. Why do you name it Dragon Ball? What is it called? Oh, I got that thing in my pocket. It's called Dragon Ball something. I'm not having all of that. Like, for real, not having all of that. I thought it was gonna be spicy, like where I'm gonna quit, but nah, or drink some water or whatever. But nah, you know what I mean? I paid too much for this. I ain't gonna no meat left behind. You know what I mean? Oh, I see you. I'm gonna put all the bones in my pocket because this nigga might wanna snatch that shit. You hear me? And that's not happening because he ain't putting out a cent in this. You hear me? Not even a cent. I told him what you want. I'm about to order him what you want. He said, nah, I'm good. I'm straight. I already ate rice, chicken. I'm straight. So I told him, okay. When that shit comes, you ain't getting shit. And I'm on my word. You ain't getting shit. When it comes to food, if I ask you, hey, no. You know, you ask somebody, hey, you want some food? They be like, nah, I'm good. Like, and then somebody be like, are you sure? Nah, I ain't gonna say, are you sure? I said, do you want the food? You say, no? Okay, that's no. Ain't no, are you sure? You feel me? No, are you sure? Do you want it? Like, oh. And then when the food comes, you know, oh, do you want it still? I ain't about to do all none of that shit. I asked you the first time, do you want it? No. All right, that's it. I'm not asking you the second time. Shit. And you ain't put no money in this? Let me try the corn. Look, and then they didn't give me no spoon. The corn is good. You know what I mean? The corn is busting. Hey, I was gonna go get up and get a spoon. But then I realized eating with your hands is a blessing. Why? Because that's what you do with your hands, is you eat with them. Why you need a spoonful? They're made for you to eat and use them. So why not use them the way what they're made for? Right hand for eating. Left hand, I don't want to talk about it because I'm eating right now. This shit busting. These ribs are good though, but nah, these ribs are good. Where this from again? It's from Bones something, Smoky Bones, SmokyBones.com. But sorry guys, but TGFI ribs are way better. I had those before, and there's actually the same size that is on the picture too. This is too small. I don't know which size I picked, but I said full. I think I picked full. I know I picked full because I would never pick something small. I picked full. And this ain't full. This is for like a kid. Okay? We grown men out here. We gotta eat some grown ass young food. How am I gonna do this? But hey, I gotta stop complaining and say alhamdulillah, thank God that I'm eating all this, because I know that you're not. Okay? Not y'all guys, I'm talking about him. He's just standing there. You know? But yeah. Bada bing, bada boom, ba. Bing, boom, ba. Bada bing, bada boom, ba. Bing, boom, I took the label off of the water because they not promoting this shit. So why would I have the label on the thing? You hear me? Don't make no sense. You hear me? Bada bing, bada boom, down. Alright. It looks like I'm gonna have to save these. Oh shit! Almost dropped my corn. I got this. I still got fries left, and this much of chicken. But yo, I'm really stuffed right now. You know, and I don't think that I'll be able to finish this. So I'll save it for later. Okay? But hey, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Actually, has hands, bro. I hate when my hands get actually this. But I'm already eating, so I can't do anything about it. But woo! Keep on burping. Yeah, what I just said. Smash the like button. Who cares? Like, dislike it. Who cares? Comment what y'all think. If you want to try this, it's called. I got this from Smoky Bones. If y'all want to go ahead and try it, you feel me? And it's busting. I'm gonna get back with y'all later. No, I won't. Because later, I'm gonna be eating this shit again. You hear me? Later, I'm gonna be eating this shit again. So, it is what it is. You feel me? Yeah. I called it quit. Woo. I'm gonna take these to the garbage myself. Or probably throw them out to the cats. Bada bing, bada boom, bah!